Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Renu ma'am.
Good morning. Children, now the topic which we are going to do today is what is in my hand. Can you see
A
what is in my
calendar.
hand?
Calendar, it's calendar.
It's calendar, right?
Yeah.
So, for what we have to use calendar? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, can I say Samriddhi?
Yes, Samriddhi. For what we are using calendar?
Ma'am, we use calendar for seeing the dates and the year. And when we are when we are not aware which festival is coming, we can also see in that in
Yeah.
calendar.
So, generally, we use the calendar for days, dates, festival, this only. But do you know that calendar also have some magic?
Yeah,
Anyone knows?
ma'am. Yeah,
What?
ma'am. Yes,
Samriddhi, yes,
ma'am.
tell me what magic.
Ma'am, in the calendar there is like a two table, then three table, then four table like that.
Okay. And I am going to give you some tricks also. Wait, I will present my screen.
And the calendar have
And I
the
can say,
Yeah, please say.
magic
I
square
can
in
say what
calendar.
magic is there.
Yes, yes, please say. Anya?
Ma'am, my ninth birthday has come on Saturday and 10th birthday come on Monday.
Okay, yeah, one day after. Yes. This is also
Some
magic.
birthday are
But
coming.
according to mathematics, also there
Ma'am,
are
same here.
some magics. Suppose this is the calendar and this is the for the month of August, right? This is the
Yes.
month of
Month of
August,
August.
right? So in the month of August, do you have anyone has a calendar nearby you? Please bring if you have. If you have
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
children
ma'am, I have
calendar
in.
nearby you, please bring. I'm giving you 1 minute time. If you have calendar nearby you, please bring.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am.
very good,
Ma'am,
very good, very good. Now Anushka, I'm going to pin you. You please show your calendar properly. Everyone pin Anushka. Everyone pin Anushka. Anushka, take marker in your hand. Take the fresh page where nothing should be circled. Take the fresh any month, any month.
Yes, ma'am. I'm taking September. Okay. Let
Yes.
me
Take it.
showing you 1 second. I'm showing you. I need
Yes.
to take a marker. Wait.
Please take a marker.
Ma'am, see.
Very good, Freya. Freya, along with the instruction which I will give, you also have to do in your calendar. Then you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
better learn, students. Yes.
Yes.
Now, take this marker in your hand.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
in this calendar, you mark any 4 by 4 square. 4
4
by
by
4
4.
means 4 numbers should be
Yes.
column wise and 4 numbers should be row wise. 4 by 4 square. Mark.
So, ma'am, I have to mark that two numbers.
ऐसे ऐसे कवर कर दो पूरा 4 by 4 को. Everyone pin Anushka. She is showing the calendar and showing the numbers also. So we will see the magic here.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you have marked, the square is like this 4 by 4.
Yes.
Yes. Telling me your numbers in the 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 19, 20, 21, 22. What are the next numbers after 22? Present them clearly. 26,
Yes.
27,
Yes.
28, 29. Right? The calendar
Yes,
which
ma'am.
Anushka has marked is having these dates. And this is 4 by 4 square. Now, in this 4 by 4 square, I'm going to tell you one trick. Okay, there column wise from the first column select
Yes,
any
ma'am.
number, select any
Uh,
number.
yes, ma'am. Selected.
Any number and tell me.
8.
8. You have then whatever the number you have selected, circle it and cross the other numbers in the column wise and in the row wise of that row.
So, ma'am, I have
Got
to
it?
do it also.
Yeah, you also have to do. Circle 8 and cross the other numbers in the row wise also and in the column wise also. Okay. Now Lakshya, select the other numbers.
Ma'am, 14.
14. From the other column, he has selected 14. So the remaining numbers in the column wise we cross and the remaining numbers in the row wise we cross. Anya Mittal, select any number from the third column.
Ma'am, 19.
19. Circle 19 and cross the number. Okay. And row wise, column wise also and the row wise also. So if I ask Samriddhi, from the fourth column, there is no option. You have only one option to select. So which number you will select?
27.
27. Now, when you do see, suppose I will give you the answer first. Now, I am giving you that when you do the total of the circle ones, the answer will be 68. You know how? You know how, students? Anyone knows
No,
how? Now we've checked whether the answer is coming 68 or not. 14 plus 19 plus 27 plus 8. Please do the addition. 8, 7 and 7, 14, 15. 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9, please.
14.
15 plus 9, 14.
Sorry, sir.
24 plus
24.
24 plus 4.
24.
28.
2 plus
3,
1.
4, 5, 6.
3 plus 1. 6. How this magic is working? Do you know how? I have given you before doing the addition, the answer. Can anyone guess how I given the answer?
Ma'am, can I see? I can guess.
Yes, yes,
Ma'am, can
Samriddhi.
you explain it again? I didn't understand.
The crossing and circle part is clear to everyone.
Ma'am,
No,
I
ma'am,
just
we
understood that when you that there is choosing that 8 number, so we have to cross that row and column. Then I didn't understand.
Same procedure will go in all the columns. Select any number, cross the row wise the numbers, remaining numbers, and cross the column wise. Then go to next column, circle the selected number which you want to select, cross the other numbers in the column and cross the other numbers in the row, remaining numbers in the row. Same procedure will go till the fourth column. Then, do you know how I calculated the total of the circle ones? Anyone guess? No.
Can I
Okay.
guess?
Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, did you do the total of total of
Now see, I am giving you. Take the smallest number in 4 by 4 square.
It
Which
is
is the
five.
smallest? Which is the
Five.
smallest? Dhyaarya sit
Five.
properly.
Five.
Jan Dalal, Yash Desai, Vivan, turn on your cameras, please.
The smallest number is 5.
Smallest number is 5. And which is the greatest number?
29.
Which is the 29.
29.
Add them. What is the total coming?
Ma'am, the total should be 34.
And 34 multiplied by 2
Ma'am, 68.
is 68.
68.
This is the procedure of finding.
So, ma'am.
Yes, Anushka.
Oh, ma'am, I'm saying that you directly take the biggest and the smallest number in the table and then add then multiply it by 2.
But
But why we multiplied
it's a
it by
trick,
2?
bacha. And this is applicable in 4 by 4 square only. and this is only when you are the total. हर trick हर जगह नहीं apply होगी. We will learn many tricks today in the calendar. Okay. This is the trick
Ma'am,
which is
I
applied
have a
in the
doubt.
4x4 square. Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am, my doubt is that in the board that you said we have to cross all the column wise and the row wise. When we have crossed it, so we have to that's the we have to take out the total of all the numbers. So we have to do addition, and the answer will come 68.
Yeah. First, take the smallest number, take the greatest number of this 4 by 4 column, add them
Yes.
and multiply it by the 2. Please write the trick if you want to write.
Ma'am, I have one more doubt.
Yes.
Oh, ma'am, my second doubt is that how that you said, but how is every number's total would not come 68? So how we
No,
will know the specific
we,
number
we
of
are
this?
we are doing more practice. No. Now take the calendar, Anushka. Take whole calendar in your hand. Now we will do
Ma'am,
with Twisha. We will do with Twisha. Okay. Twisha, you have calendar. Please present your calendar. Yes, please present. Everyone, please pin Twisha. Okay. Twisha, it is not showing clearly. Yes. Now select any 4 by 4 square. कहीं से भी जरूरी नहीं है 1 से ही बनाओ. आप 3 से भी लेकर जहां पर 4 by 4 square बन रहा है वहां बनाओ. Take any numbers with the 4 by 4 square. Twisha. Twisha not able to present clearly. Can I pin any other child,
ma'am,
Twisha?
one second. Okay.
Can I erase this, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Twisha, please
Ma'am,
present your calendar properly.
ma'am, see, can you see?
Yes. Pin Twisha, everyone, students. Yeah,
Ma'am, it's
Twisha,
a bit blurred.
it is coming blurred, Twisha, not coming clearly. Wait, you adjust yourself. We'll give you a chance. Yes, Anushka, are you ready?
The calendar, ma'am?
Yes,
Yes.
with the calendar.
Ma'am, but I'm not able to mark the area because when I mark, it's not erasing. Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am, can
okay.
I present? I had make a calendar in a show it by fingers.
Okay, Samriti, you show,
Yes.
please.
Ma'am, can I present? I am making a work.
Okay.
Wait, I'm
Okay, you
present.
making in a word?
Yeah.
Okay, doing present.
Can you see, ma'am?
Yes. Children, if you also can prepare in a word, please start preparing. She has prepared. Very good. Excellent. Cross this, जो box आ रहा है नीचे. Yeah.
This one.
Can you please increase the size? Yeah. Now select 4 by 4 square. आपने बना दिया.
Yeah, ma'am.
Please mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Samriti, mute yourself for a minute. Only mute. Present your screen, no problem. Yeah. Samriti has presented her screen and the numbers are 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 13. Now, Samriti, what you will do, you tell the students to select, call their names and tell them to select any number from the column wise. I will help you. Okay. You keep
Okay,
on
ma'am.
doing. I will call the student name. Yes, Ekansh. Ekansh, select any number from the calendar the Samriddhi is showing.
170.
17. Samriddhi, circle 17. Take the pencil or something and circle it. Or color it with the blue color or any other color if you have option. Yeah. Color it. Yeah, black color. Okay. So assume that the circle one is the black color numbers. Now cross the other numbers. If you are crossing circle any with the red color, इसको red color कर दो. I am also presenting the Samriddhi which she is presenting here. It is 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27. Generally, we don't have numbers like this in the calendar because you have written in the series. We don't have numbers in this way in the calendar. But okay, we will try our trick whether it is applicable or not. Okay. So you have selected this and this Ekans has selected 17. So all the numbers which are in this row, I will cross them. And all the numbers which are remaining in this column, I will cross them. Anushka, now select any other number
Yes, ma'am.
from this next column.
Next, that 3, 4, 5,
No,
6
4,
column.
12, 25. Column is this, and this is
Yes.
row.
Okay, so I'll choose 12.
12. So circle 12 and cross the other numbers which are remaining in this column and which are remaining in this row. Right? Go. Now next is Freya. Freya,
Yes, ma'am. I have ma'am 6.
Freya column में select करना है, not row. Select in column.
27.
Freya, only 5 and 26 are remaining in the third one.
The 26.
26. Circle it, cross the column and cross the row remaining numbers. Now, Lakshya, fourth column. Which number is remaining for you?
Ma'am 25.
No, only one number is remaining, Lakshya. अब आपके पास तो एक है 6. So circle 6.
6.
Now, how we will find what is the total of these numbers? 17, 12, 26 and 6. इसको total करने में समृद्धि, please lower down your stop your presentation and you can do with you after this. So when you plus the numbers which are in circle, right, you will take little time, but I will tell you that short.
61.
Take the smallest
51.
number which is 3, take the greatest number which is 27, add them 30, multiplied by 2 is 60.
60.
Now check, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 12, 12 plus 2 18, 18 plus 2 6 or 6 12, 13 14, 14, 14 plus 7 21, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's 61. Why? Because as I told you, Samriddhi, this is not according to the calendar numbers. This magic is only applicable when you take the numbers according to the calendar. है ना?
Oh, ma'am.
कभी भी ये सीरीज में numbers calendar में नहीं होते.
Ma'am, I have the calendar and the numbers are in series.
Okay. 5, 6, 7. Okay. You take the calendar and apply this and tell me what is the answer coming.
Okay. I'll take my calendar, right, with the series.
Yeah. Yeah. Show us. Can you present us?
Ma'am, I can't present us, but
No,
I can
no.
show.
Can you show us your 4x4 square? Children,
Yes,
there
ma'am.
are many tricks which I want to explain you. Please do it fast.
So, ma'am, I will make a new one.
आपके 4x4 के numbers बोलो. I will write here on the board.
Oh, ma'am, my 4x4 numbers are 3, 4, 5.
Wait. Column wise you are giving me or row wise?
Ma'am, I am. Ma'am,
So
I
which
can.
four?
So I'm giving basically left to right. Like
No,
in
give me whether it is, you don't know how to see column and how to see row.
No, ma'am, rows are straight, right?
These are columns, standings are columns and sleeping are rows.
So, ma'am, I'm giving in rows.
Okay, give me rows.
3, 4, 5, 6,
3,
10, 11,
4, 5, 6, 11,
10, 11, 12, 13,
10, 11, 12, 13.
17, 18, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Huh.
24, 25, 26, 27.
24, 25, 26, 27. What we have to do first step?
But first we have to select numbers.
Yeah, okay. Select
Like,
any number from the column.
uh, ma'am, I will take 6.
6 is not there in the column. It is in the row.
Oh, okay, yeah. So I will take 10. 10.
10. Circle 10. What we have to do, Ekansh, next?
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, then,
After selecting one number, what we have to do?
ma'am, we have to cut up the means, row. Means
The remaining
70,
numbers in the column and the numbers in the row. Now, Khush Ahuja, select any number in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
column, in the second column.
Ma'am, 18.
18. And cross the numbers in the row and cross the numbers in the same column. Yes, Trisha, select any number in the third column.
26.
26. Cross the number which is in the row and cross the number in the remaining column. And in the fourth column, only one option we have, which is 6. Right? Now the numbers which we have is 10, 18, 26, and 6. These are the circle numbers. And if we want to find the total of this, right? How to find the total very fast? Take the smallest number, which is 3. Take the smallest, greatest number, which is 27. Total is 30. Multiplied by 2. The
Ma'am,
answer is 60. When you add 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Can you check the answer is coming?
yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
now you
ma'am.
all are clear with this trick. Can I move forward to the other tricks?
When you did it first, it was coming 61, right?
My dear, because the calendar which Samriddhi has given is not according to the proper calendar. The numbers which you have given is according to the calendar. Got it?
Alright.
ma'am, can I also present?
Now I will give you the next trick. Beta, usme present karna, okay? Otherwise, you will only able to do one trick only. Children, please ask from your friends also कि पता है अब मैं इसको सर्कल वाले नंबर का टोटल फास्ट कैसे बता सकता हूँ आपको. So you can give them. Got it? Let me take
Ma'am,
the
but I
attendance.
still have the doubt that how do we know that specific number will come there, so the answer will come that.
What specific number? I'm not understanding what you are saying.
Ma'am, like in the first table we did, the answer came 68 by plussing all the digits that we have chosen.
Huh.
We don't have to take the specific number. We can take any number and get the total.
But this application, no any number, the circle numbers.
Yes, ma'am, the circle, but any circled numbers.
Any circle numbers. Trick is just to take the smallest number, add the greatest number, multiplied by 2. So इस वाले में ये था, आपके 4x4 square में smallest number change हो सकता है. Got it?
Yes.
Now we do one more trick. Suppose I am taking this calendar, right? And I am taking any row or any column with having 5 numbers.
Chapter number means.
The child is asking, Vedi, this is the chapter which we are doing continue. Here is we are doing
name, ma'am.
topic is calendar magic. Chapter
Ma'am, means
name is आपको
Yeah.
chapter number भी नहीं पता बेटा. Patterns कर रहे हैं. Can you see the pattern?
Okay.
Now this is the second trick. Second trick says that Samriddhi, Anushka, are you ready to use your calendar and mark?
Oh. Ma'am, it's 4x4. Is it okay?
No, not something else we have to do now.
Also, I'll take the next and I'll make it. You can ask some other.
Okay, I'm making no problem. See,
Okay.
students, I have taken a calendar of any month, right? Any month का कोई भी calendar ले लिया. Suppose I have taken the month September, and in that September month, I am taking 5 numbers, either column wise, either row wise. Suppose I am taking the 5 numbers. Hello, ma'am. Column wise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers I am taking the column wise. And here I have the numbers in the column 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And yes, my dear.
Ma'am, I have a calendar.
Okay, can you present and mark?
Ma'am,
Yeah. Take marker or any pen, something, or sketch pen, something.
ma'am.
Mark 5 numbers, either column wise, either row wise.
Okay, ma'am.
And tell me also so that I can mark according to you what are the numbers.
Ma'am,
Show me.
tomorrow at the Tuesday I will bring the calendar.
You try at home, bacha, after understanding this concept.
Ma'am, I had chosen 13.
With not only one number, 5 numbers, either column or either row.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
या तो 5
13,
numbers ऐसे आएंगे या 5 numbers ऐसे
3.
सेलेक्ट करो. शो मी प्रेजेंट. दिखाओ मुझे.
Ma'am, 13 and 3.
अरे
And
उसको पूरा ऐसे कर दो ना एक साथ बच्चा. Show me now, fast.
ma'am.
कौन सा सेलेक्ट किया है आपने? Which one you have selected? Tell
Ma'am,
me the number.
13.
You are still not understanding what I am trying to tell you. Okay, leave it. Leave it, Rudra.
Ma'am, may I do Ayush Singhania?
Yes, Ayush, you do.
Yes, ma'am. I will select 5 numbers, right?
Yeah, either row wise, either column wise.
Okay, ma'am. Selected.
Show me.
Yes, ma'am.
आपने रो सेलेक्ट करी है कि कॉलम? ओके, वेरी गुड. या दिस इज द वे. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
24.
He has selected the row wise. Now put it down, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
Now students, please see here. Do you know when I say to do the total of these numbers, it will take time? होगा कि नहीं? Time लोगे कि नहीं? But can I tell you how to do it very
Yes,
fast
ma'am. It
in a
will take
within
a bit
few
time.
seconds? Can I tell you a trick how to do the total
Yes.
of this within few seconds? Select the middle number. Middle
Yes,
number
ma'am.
कौन सा होगा? This will be the middle number.
22. Yes.
22 will be the middle number. Are you all agree? Can I
Yes,
move forward with the trick?
Yes, ma'am.
Select the middle number, which is 22.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiply it with the 5 always. Because how many numbers are in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So multiply it with the 5. 22 multiplied by 5.
If we take 6 rows, 6 rows.
This method applicable only on 5 numbers. आप स्टार्टिंग में क्यों नहीं सुनते हैं बच्चा?
तो एक और भी खोल के रखा हुआ है.
Listen now, mute yourself, Ayush. Listen here again.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen here again, everyone. Please have some patience and listen. This trick only applicable on this numbers. If I'm saying 5 numbers, then it will only applicable on 5 numbers. Not on 6, not on 3, not on 2, not on 10. Not on any other number. Only on 6 numbers. So select any 6, only on 5 numbers. Select any 5 numbers. Take the middle number, which is 22. What is the middle number? How to find the middle number? 2 are coming this side and 2 are coming this side. So this is the middle number. 22 is the middle number. 22 multiplied by 5. Why with the 5? Because we have selected 5 different numbers. When you multiply it with the 5, the answer is 110. Now add it and check whether it is coming 110 or not. 20, 21, 23, 22, 24. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Got the magic? Got the magic? Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is
Ma'am,
the
got
trick?
it.
Freya, can you explain what is the trick?
You have to multiply the middle number by 5.
Yeah, and when it will be applicable, when you select any 5 numbers column wise or row wise. Clear? Okay, go to the
Ma'am,
next trick. Yes.
can I present the table that you have done
No,
now?
I will do the next trick now. Okay. Now the third trick. It is applicable on 3 by 3 square. Can anyone present the 3 by 3 square in the
Yes,
calendar?
ma'am, I'm presenting.
Okay. Some
1 minute.
Anushka present.
1
Fast.
minute, ma'am. It will take time to present. Ma'am, it will take time.
It will take time. Okay. I am taking the 3 by 3 square. Suppose 3 by 3 means 3 in the column, 3 in the row. And my numbers are 5, 12, 19, 6, 13, 20, 7, 14, 21. When I say you to do the total of all the numbers, it will take time. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But here is a trick. Take the middle number 13, multiply it with the 9. Why with the 9? Because we have selected 9 numbers. And tell me what is the answer. 13 nines is what?
One one seven.
Ma'am,
117.
Ma'am, my table is, ma'am, can I present now?
Yes.
I'm ready. Yes, ma'am, just presenting. Wait a
No,
second.
don't present Anushka because I'm already explaining one sum.
Okay.
So 13 nines is what? Who will tell me?
117.
117. And when you do the total of all the numbers, 5 plus 12 is what? Please do the total and find whether it is 117 is coming or not. 5 plus 12 plus 19
Ma'am,
plus
ma'am.
6. Yes, please. Plus 13.
So,
Plus
ma'am,
20.
this rule is only applicable in the 3 by 3 squares.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's
So, we
17.
take the number that we circled and multiply it by the whole numbers.
You cannot circle any number. Circle the middle number.
Okay.
Circle the middle number in 3 by 3 square and multiply it with the 9. You
Ma'am,
will
the
get the
answer
total.
will be 117.
Yeah, got it? Now, you all have done the magic square. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Where the diagonal total will also be same. Where the row total will be same. So 5 plus 12 is what? Check. 5 plus
17.
12, 5 plus 12 is 17
17.
plus 19 is 36.
36.
13 plus 5 is 18. 18 plus 21 is
36.
39.
yes. So we need to check here why, because it diagonal, it will come, horizontal will also come same. We'll do it in more in the next class. Okay. So 2 to 3 tricks you have understood today. We have done with 4 by 4. We have done with 3 by 3. How to find the total in 3 by 3 square.
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
calendar. Yes. We have done how to find the total when we are selecting any 5 numbers. By finding the middle, right? Okay. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bring calendar in the next class.